Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the steps of using a barcode scanner and the front-facing camera as a barcode reader in Poshier. Typically, the scanner will work when it plugged into the USB port at the back of a thermal printer, such as those in the Star Micronics printer series. It is important to follow the instructions that come with your printer to pair it with your iPad before connecting it to Poshier. In this tutorial, we will use the Star Micronics mPOP printer and the CipherLab 1500P barcode scanner to demonstrate the setup process. First, go to Settings, scroll to the Print section, and tap the Barcode Setup Manual. Following the instructions as shown, plug the barcode scanner into the USB port of the printer and turn on the power. Next, download the Star Quick Setup utility app from the App Store and open it. Tap on the Start Guide, then select Search Bluetooth Printer and connect and pair. Allow Bluetooth access to find the printer, and then select the printer from the list. Next, in Poshier, go to Settings and navigate to the Print section. Select Thermal and then tap the Setup button. If your printer is already paired, it will appear in the list. If not, please pair it first in your iPad's settings. Click on the printer in the list, then select the payment receipt option and the appropriate paper size for your printer. Tap Save to update the changes. At this point, your printer and scanner should work as expected. To test if the barcode scanner is functioning properly, go to the Catalog section and scan the barcode of an item. If you see a prompt like this, it means your barcode scanner is successfully connected. Let's create an item by tapping the Yes button. As you can see, the barcode field is filled automatically. Enter the name and price in the appropriate fields, select or take a photo, and assign a group to the item. Tap Save. Now go to the POS section and scan the barcode again. As you can see, the item is fetched and added to the order. If you don't have a barcode scanner, you can still use the front-facing camera of your iPad to scan barcodes. To do this, go to Settings and scroll down to the POS section. Toggle the Enable Camera for Barcode Scanning switch, then restart the app. Also, it's important to allow the app to use the camera when prompted. You should see the app displaying the video feed from the front-facing camera. First, let's go to the Catalog section and create an item by tapping the plus button at the top right corner. Hold the item with the barcode facing the camera. You will hear a beep once the barcode is captured and populated into the barcode field. Enter the necessary information and then tap Save. Go to the POS section and scan the barcode with the camera. As expected, the item is fetched and added to the order. I hope this tutorial has effectively guided you through the steps of using a barcode scanner. See you in the next video. Goodbye.